According to the report by the trusted sources, Kaizer Chiefs are willing to let go of some players currently in the squad, and Kaizer Chiefs are looking closely to a new player playing in England Championship from Australia. So bafethu, let's jump straight into the video together. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakhosi Stand Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa bhe. I am your host Manqoba Ngcobo, all the way from a great town. Namhlanje bafethu nginiphasele zona zishisa bhe. Bafethu, as I said in my intro, Kaizer Chiefs are willing to let of some players go. So khuluma ngalawo ama players and also the new player that has been linked with Kaizer Chiefs. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video and comment down below ukuthi ucabangani ngecontent enginiphathele yona namhlanje. Namhlanje bafowethu will be talking about the player and also we'll be looking at his highlights and also we'll be talking about the fact that Kaizer Chiefs players, most of them, all of them, they are not called in the Bafana Bafana national team for the friendlies that they will be playing in this current FIFA break. So, according to the reports, players, Kaizer Chiefs are willing to let some players go either January or at the end of the season, go June. So, these are the players that are on the list that might go either on a free agent or to be sold. First one, Ashley Dupree. Ashley Dupree has been linked with the team from Australia for Australia, I'm not sure, but he's been linked there since last season, and Kaizer Chiefs extended his contract so that when he decides to join the team, he will go. He will not go for free. So actually, Dupree is on top of the list. Wandile Duba, he's been linked with a move, either a loan or a permanent transfer. Sereno, his contract is ending next June. So we'll see by there ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs enza njani. Matlo, his contract is ending. So kahle kahle namhlanje I am here for a man that has been linked with Kaizer Chiefs for a few days now, since he's been linked with Kaizer Chiefs, and there's indaba zisashisa bhe. I think I am the second or third Chiefs channel to talk about this guy who's been linked with Kaizer Chiefs. So you know, guys, you know the drill. Subscribe to the channel. So Kaizer Chiefs are linked with a winger from Australia. He's 21 years old, playing for Portsmouth in the English Championship. So Buffers underline that. 21 from Australia, playing in the Portsmouth in English Championship. Lokho nje kukodwa kumele ngake kutshela ukuthi he's the kind of a player with the quality, the kind of a player we want. So it is reported that Chiefs have already tabled offer of about 10 million rand, but his current club, Portsmouth, are yet to make any decision. So bafethu, we will review we'll watch his video, his highlights and all, and then on the next video in this channel we'll be analyzing his performance, how good he is, getting deep on his contribution towards his current club and what he will do for Kaizer Chiefs if the deal ends up happening. So these are his stats. By the way, his name is Adrian. I don't know about the surname. His surname is SEGECIC. So angazi nalo sibizwa kanjani leyo surname. So these are his stats. In 35 games, he managed to get 18 goals and 3 assists. That is 21 goals contribution in 35 games. That is, the stats talks louder than the highlights that we're about to play in this channel. But for me, this guy is the player we will need, especially if Dupreez and Sereno end up leaving Kaizer Chiefs. So this is the video, Bafethu. If you finish watching the video, please don't go away, because we have another thing to talk about regarding to Kaizer Chiefs and Bafana squad. So this is the play.
Back for Max Burgess. It's a good run again. The cutback for Segacic, and Sydney FC have a goal. It's turned over cheaply by Danzaki. Lolly, Klimala's at the back post. Segacic this time. To be careful, Bozanovski lunging in as Wayne gets to the byline, the cutback. And it's Adrian Segacic. Threaded through beautifully is Adrian Segacic. Scores. Through. Still might break here for Ward. It's very clever by Patrick Ward. And Segacic has a double at Allianz Stadium. Segacic. And he's going to go for it. Oh, hat-trick. What a fantastic goal. Molly has sprinted clear of the Adelaide defence. Chance to seal it here for Sydney. Took a big deflection clear off the line by Kikianis. And then Segacic turns the ball in. Costa, clever ball. Segacic! It's on! Scored a bucket load of late goals, Sydney, and they've scored another one through Adrian Segacic. It's a brilliant strike. Since December for Yanni Nicolau. Oh, and Sydney have pinched a second goal.
Adelaide, Auckland and Newcastle.
Lovely ball by Lolly. Here's Adrian Segacic. Opens the scoring. It's a quite brilliant finish under pressure. Letting it nicely for Wahim, who angles it back here. It's Segacic. Second chance. It's gone in for Sydney. Adrian Segacic once again. Either way, another 5 goals. Here's Segacic on the left. Oh, Adrian Segacic. Segacic again. We're seeing what he can do from distance. Oh, he's done it again. Grant coming through the back. Segacic this time for Sydney FC, and it's 2-2. They've come from 2-0 down.
Okay, Bafethu, nizibonele nani nini enizocomment down below, nimbone enjani umjisa, nimbone eyilento edingekayo kwi-Chiefs. But in the next video we'll go deeper. We'll talk about how will he contribute to Kaizer Chiefs. So Bafethu, the other thing that I want us to discuss in the comments down below in this video is that, how do you feel about the Kaizer Chiefs players not being called for a national team? I will just leave it like that. I will just leave it there, because me, Gifila Sharp, I am okay with Kaizer Chiefs players not being called in the national team, especially the friendlies, because a player can get injuries. For example, we lost Roshwin Dotli because he was playing so many matches, Kaizer Chiefs national team. So I think this is a good thing for our players to rest, travel and go play, and then come back, rest. But this is my opinion. You can comment down below ngitshela ukuthi wena ucabangani. Bafethu, thank you for watching the video. See you on another one. Thank you.